Lily, a young artist, lived in a small town surrounded by winding rivers and rolling hills. She had a heart overflowing with dreams and a spirit throbbing with imagination. Her days were filled with color strokes on canvases, each of which told a story of passion and hope. Lily's fantasy was basic at this point significant. She sought to impart her craft to the world, mesh feelings into each brushstroke, and associate with individuals through the language of varieties. In any case, question, similar to a diligent shadow, waited at the edges of her viewpoints. What if her artwork was subpar? Imagine a scenario where no one valued her one-of-a-kind point of view. At some point, as she walked around the town square, she saw a banner reporting a craftsmanship display that would exhibit crafts made by nearby gifts. A flash of fervor lighted inside Lily, and she felt a flood of assurance to present her pieces. However, doubt crept in and encircled her ambition. One night, while sitting in her studio, encompassed by the actual substance of her fantasies, Lily contemplated the expressions of Susie Kassam. A question kills a bigger number of dreams than disappointment at any point will. Those words reverberated to her, resounding like a reminder. That's what Lily understood. Assuming she permitted uncertainty to overwhelm her soul, it would smother the fire of her fantasies more successfully than any disappointment at any point could. With newly discovered resolve, Lily drenched herself in her specialty, emptying her entire being into every creation. She quieted the murmurs of uncertainty, focusing rather on the energetic shades that moved on her range. As the accommodation cutoff time drew closer, she accumulated her boldness and presented her best parts of the display. Days transformed into weeks, and expectation hung thick in the air as the presentation approached. The opening day finally arrived. As she anxiously awaited the response to her work, Lily stood among the crowd. The air was filled with the creative energy and the room was buzzing with conversations. Lily came upon her paintings beautifully displayed on one wall as she walked through the exhibit. A surge of feelings overpowered her as she saw individuals halting to respect the perplexing subtleties and lively varieties. The uncertainty that had once taken steps to choke out her fantasies currently appeared to be ancient history. When Lily realized that she had arrived at this point by embracing her passion and overcoming doubt, her heart swelled with gratitude. Yet again, Susie Kassam's words reverberated to her, uncertainty kills a larger number of dreams than disappointment at any point will. Lily felt a little unsure inside herself but had likewise demonstrated that fantasies, when sought after with faithful conviction, could prosper past the limits of vulnerability.